Front bumper's on. Now, the front bumper that the truck was the truck that the front bumper was on this one, the frame's a little bent, the brackets are a little bent, so this side sits kind of high. As you can see, it's like right up against everything, and then this side sits kind of low. It's more noticeable from the front. I had to angle the bumper down a little bit to get the hood to close because I had the Sport grill on there, and the Sport grill's just ever so slightly hangs a little lower than the stock grill. But I got it on there. I still have to put the bottom plastic piece on, which I have all painted up like the top plastic piece. All the clips were broken, so I just put some self-tappers in it. Looks fine to me. It's not a cream puff. I mean, it's a nice truck. It's a good looking truck, but I got the battery hooked back up. I got the fender flare on. Put the inner plastic fender flare in. Again, I just used self-tappers, as you can see, until the plastic clips that I bought come in the mail. Then I'll take the self-tappers out and clip it in correctly. So we're gonna go ahead and close her up. I got the wires hanging out for the fog lights. So let's fire her up. She hasn't been running in a while. See if the battery still has charge. Oh yeah. Runs like a champ. Always has, always will. We're gonna go ahead and pull her out of the driveway, put her into a better spot where we can get some better pictures and a little better video. We'll do a quick run around on it real quick, so stay tuned. Got another video coming.